Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone Wi-Fi disconnects when locked. So how you can also fix it. So first thing you can also just try is just go to the settings, just find here general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it and in another way. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. After, just choose your Wi-Fi network, just tap on forget this network, and after just connect again. And also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.